that I would be in this situation where I'm feeling like I'm in trouble.
You are in trouble. You knew you were looking at potentially life in prison.
You got to forgive me. I'm nervous because the life in prison, it floors me. I'm in a situation where I know the gravity of.
Okay, let me just stop you now. So
Well,
where we are now.
I had no idea that I was choosing.
Okay, let me just tell you that ship has sailed.
Can I take the ISS? I'm not trying to argue with you. I just want you to know that I had no clue. I did not know.
And the court is going to revoke you.
This guy is back in court after refusing to follow Judge Boyd's order to join felony drug court. For anyone who doesn't know, that's basically a tough rehab and supervision program in Texas that helps nonviolent offenders stay out of prison, if they actually stick to it. Honestly, it's one of the best chances you can get when facing serious time, but instead of taking that lifeline, he threw it away like it was nothing. Now he's looking at possible life in prison and acting clueless about how he ended up here. Just wait until you see his reaction at the end. It's unbelievable. Let me know in the comments if you think he's being honest or just pretending.
Your Honor, may I just say I just want to thank you for the privilege and opportunity to be before you and have this matter resolved. And I thank you for the previous opportunity that you had given me. And I especially want to thank you for when you said it. If you have any problems to come back to the court, I'm just glad to get this resolved today.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is calling 2019 CR 12887, State of Texas versus Ross Kuko. Could I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Meredith Chacon for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Kuko?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, are you the same? I'm sorry, did you have a chance to review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Ross Kuko who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 12887 for the offense of aggravated robbery on May 27, 2021 for a period of 8 years and extended for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
That is me, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 49 on or about the 25th day of March 2024 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Ross Kuko then there refused to placement and failed to comply with the rules and regulations of felony drug court in violation of condition number 49.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 49, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 49?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 49 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, my client would like to ask that you consider sending him either to ISF, which was the original plan when he came before you before, or he has found another program he wanted to talk to you about. His understanding, I guess I can do this by question and answer, but his understanding when he went to sign the paperwork at felony drug court was that you had told him at the last hearing that if he found something better or there was anything he needed from you, that he could come back and ask. So he told them he'd rather go to ISF and thought he was coming back here to ask you for ISF. So technically he did not sign, but he wanted to be able to address you about that. If I could ask him just a couple of questions.
Sure, but before we do that, I will tell you that this is his fourth motion to revoke.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right, you can raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Ross Kuko.
All right, defense?
Mr. Kuko, you understand that when you were here previously on a motion to revoke, you were ordered and agreed to go to felony drug court, correct?
And yes, and that was
Okay.
a great privilege. And I take it very seriously, the privilege of being able to do that.
Okay. So then when you went to felony drug court and you did your appointment to get everything set up to start there, what was the reason you would not sign the paperwork?
Well, because it's a very intensive program. And I just felt at that time that I'd love the opportunity still to do it, but I don't feel like I was given a shot out of the gate. I wanted to be able to have transitional before. I just wasn't ready yet for the drug program.
Isn't looking good for him. Drug court in Texas is basically a court-run rehab program where you check in, get treatment, and stay under strict rules instead of going to prison. It's not easy if you struggle with addiction, but it's way better than serving years behind bars. Last time he was in court, Judge Boyd gave him this chance instead of an 8-year prison sentence for armed robbery. All he had to do was join the program and follow the rules. But what did he do? He flat out refused. That's like refusing a parachute during a fall because you don't like the color, except the fall here is decades in prison. When asked why, he nervously tried to explain that he thought he had the choice to do another program at a church instead. But the judge cut him off and made it crystal clear, you don't get to pick your own program, you follow the court's order. He kept insisting it was a misunderstanding, but Judge Boyd wasn't buying it. In the end, she revoked his deal and sentenced him to 8 years in prison. She basically told him, you knew the order, you ignored it, and now you're paying the price. At the end of the day, it's simple. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. He was handed a way out of prison and chose not to take it.